Look at this huge box right here. Yay, we got a big huge box. Time for open box. An open box video. Open box coming soon. Who's all excited to see what's in this big old thing? Look at this. Super, super. So this is what was in that big old box. So we're going to go through the box. You guys will see more of what I got in the next set of videos. But first we're going to start with this gel nail polish set. Next up, we have the builder gel in clear, because I got one and I hadn't got that in clear. It says 50 mils. So guys, let me show you how big this is, so you can get an idea of what 50 mils is. So about that big. This is actually more than your typical polygel kits, which normally have about 15, maybe 30 in them. So that is more than that. We have some nail glue. I can't remember if this was the brush on glue, or I believe it's the brush on glue, because I really like brush on glue. Although I use like the tubes of glue. So we got some brush on glue. I'm going to use all of this and I'm going to let you guys know. So basically this is our Makartt Ambassadors package. We have a nail drill bit holder, so we can hold all these drill bits. There's 30 of them in it. I recently lost my cuticle bit, and I lost 2, and I was pretty upset about that. So I definitely had to get me something to hold my bits in, because honey, nah. We have some 100, 180 grit files. I like the shape of these files because you can really get around the cuticle area with that. And I believe it's only about 10. Next up, we have the Rhinestone Blue, guys. This should be, wow, that was kind of dusty. This should be, so you have, you know, your pot. So there's a pot, and then you have the one with the precision applicator on it, which everybody rants and rave about. So this is going to be very good, so that you can really just lay down that glue right where you need it at. So that's awesome. And I just wanted to check this out to see what this was. Ah, nice, a gel brush. Awesome. I like brushes. I always like to get brushes, and that's probably for that, but I probably won't use it for that. Who knows? We'll see how that goes. And it also, everything comes with instructions. So next up, we have some more soak off gel nail polish. Comes with the top and the base. I'm just curious though, because I do have 2 of these. One must be like a pastel and the other one must be a different one. Ah, got it. So this is the P51 collection. So as you can see in these, you have your top and your base, and then there's these 6 colors. So these colors here look more like your fall, autumn. We're going to do a set of nails with that, so you guys can use my code listed in the description box below, so you guys can get 15% off of your order. Next up, we have, I had to give me some of these guys, nail polish remover kits. So you know, like the little foils. I'm going to show you what this looks like real quick. You know, like in the foils, how you have like it looks like aluminum foil anyway, but you see these are really great for soaking off gel polish and things like that. So a little bit less messy, and it also came with, as you guys can see, a scraper. And if I'm not mistaken, I want to say there's 200 in here. And let's see if it says it on the back or not. Yep, 200 foil wraps and 1 cuticle pusher. All right. Next up, we have, I was waiting on this, guys. I was waiting on this. Girl, falsies. Full cover falsies, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Tiny's dropping things. Yes, honey, look. Girl, yes. Let's turn this thing around so we can get this up and look. I've never had their tips before. I have to do the bend test. Okay, now I can see why Femi recommends these, because down here it's pretty strong and it's just, very flexible back there, which is awesome. And then we got a 4-piece nail glue and a 180 file. So yes, honey. So I know Tiny is not going to be able to wait, honey, when she get her little dupe. We've been talking about it because her nail beds are pretty. They're still small. And we're trying to grow her nails out. And I just told her because, she's still a teenager. She's still got time to grow. So everything will be everything in a little while. So her nail beds will get bigger later on. Next up, we have This is I believe this is the jelly one, because look at the box. Look at how pretty everything is. This I'm sure you guys probably have seen other YouTubers do this one already, but you ain't seen me do it, okay? Look how pretty this packaging is. Makartt is spot freaking on with their packaging. Everything just looks so pretty and elegant. I love it. I love it. Look at the little brush. How cute. How cute, girl. We're going to have to do us some poly gel. And of course, everything in these kits are always below. Like, you guys, stay tuned. This is just a quick unboxing, but just stay tuned to the different products and stuff that I will be using. You guys will be able to see all of this stuff in use in additional videos. Next up, the brand new Galaxy Sticks. I don't know if you guys have heard of this yet. So, those of you who are familiar, like with chrome powder and pigment, like the mirror chrome and all that stuff, Makartt has now introduced the sticks. So these look like little lipsticks. So the sponge is in one end and then like the powder is in the other. So it keeps it very neat. So you don't have to worry about there being some type of issue or like a big mess or anything like that. Can't wait to try the different colors in there. Of course, there's some instructions in there that you guys can see. And there's, of course, a QR code on that. I cannot remember what's in this big box. I had to do this like this, guys, because I did not have room on my table with my camera and everything and my mount to really do this. But this box is kind of big. I'm going to move this because, look, it can't even fit all the way in camera. I forgot what this was, to be honest. Let me see. I have to turn it around so I can. Girl, let's see what this say. Comfort and beauty. Oh, girl, I know what this is now, girl. Girl. So, I have some old polishes, right? Let me just move the box out the way so you guys can see this. I have some old polishes. And like they start to separate and stuff. So the polishes and stuff start separating. And I got this, and this is freaking heavy. So girl, look what I got. A polish shaker. Because we're not going to let that polish go bad, girl. Look at this. So it has its things over there. I'm going to show you guys in another video how well this works and everything like that. So I'm super excited about this product. Let's move this one over. So next up, I ordered the big polish holder, right? If you guys want to scan that code, you can. This is the case. This box is pretty big. It still can't fit up on top of my desk. And this is the one that's supposed to hold like 48 polishes or something like that. Because my polish collection is a mess. And I am a little bit OCD, at least that's what my children tell me. And I don't like things to be a mess. Oh, girl, I'm loving this. Like, for real, for real. Girl, y'all can't even see this because I tried to zoom all the way out so you guys can see this. But you can't. It's too big. You know how things on the internet... Hold up. There. What if I do it like that? So, it holds 48. You got some dividers for... They're over here in case maybe your polishes are not that big or maybe you want to hold some additional things. Come with some dividers and things like that. So, that's just a quick, really fast unboxing video from my Makartt Ambassador program. And for now, guys, that... Is that it? Yeah, we went like super duper fast. That's going to be all for this particular video. Stay tuned for all of those products to be used in upcoming videos. And we are going to talk with you later, guys. See you later. Love you. Bye. What's good, Tim?